Hi, this is Steve with Pinky's Handyman, and today we're again here with one of our lead techs, Spencer. Spencer, how you doing over there?
Doing great.
He's about a good 25 feet off the ground, so we're going to make this quick and let him explain to us a little bit what's going on with this project we're working today. Spencer, can you explain to me how we got this water damaged and what we're going to do to get this repaired?
Yeah, so what we got a customer that called us about some water damage here in their soffit. We came out, took a look at it, checked their flashing. Flashing seemed good. What it is they put a gutter barrier for their leaves, a leaf catcher.
Which ordinarily is very great to have, and we recommend them. But
Right.
What happened with this one?
So as time goes on, these things wear out. As the sun hits them, they start to bake a little, and it creates a valley. When that valley hits, that water from the rain begins to push back up into the roof line and then into your soffit.
So when we want this water to go down the roof and out on top of these covers, what happened here is it started buckling, and the water just wanted to start pouring back into the house, and that's where we got the water damage from.
Right.
So what we're going to do today is we're going to recommend to get those replaced, correct?
Correct.
And then we're going to go ahead and repair that worn out or the damaged boards that we have right now, correct?
Correct. So we're going to go back in with a little bit more framing just to fix that rotted wood. So we're going to go in and put in that 2x6 once again, and then we are putting in a brand new piece of hardy board soffit, a solid piece, and that will fix that. And then what we'll do, we'll just do a paint match and make everything
Perfect.
look the same. Everything will be seamless. When we're done, you'll never know we were here.
Well, Spencer, we're going to let you get back to work. You look like you're super busy. We really appreciate you. Now, if you're running into any minor roof issues and repairs that you need, reach out to Pinky's Handyman, because we Pinky promise you'll love our work.